Most typical home warranties and even home insurance policies do not cover foundation repair or foundation basement waterproofing. Those tend to be up to the company that you have come out to resolve the issue itself. And most of them will not have warranties that'll necessarily cover the extensive pieces outside of what they've resolved only. At KC Pier, we have warranties that start from 3 years and go up to a lifetime. And the warranties that we have will cover any of the wall that we've ultimately repaired. If we've touched the wall, or if we've addressed a wall or an area of the wall or the full perimeter of the home, that's exactly what's covered when it comes to KC Pier. We don't have a lot of exceptions into our warranties. For example, on waterproofing, if it says the area that we've treated leaks, we'll be back to service it. And that's just the way it works at KC Pier. It's very simple and very straightforward. If we service the area, we're going to warranty the area. Now, if you want to extend warranties, say move a 2 or a 3 year warranty up to 5 or 10 years, that's also possible with KC Pier through our maintenance programs. So we have maintenance programs that come included with our repairs, where KC Pier, after the installation, will come back and check the repair at 6 months. We'll also come back and check again at 12 months and check to maintain the product that was actually installed and make sure that everything is working efficiently as we planned through the repair initially. If you continue after that first year, the warranty continues to extend as well. So you can kind of participate in extended warranties with KC Pier in our work, but if you're looking for general warranties that are covered, say, through real estate transactions, those tend to cover more of the appliances in the home and not necessarily the structure of the home. That needs to be handled most likely through a high quality foundation repair company, much like what we offer here at KC Pier.